Hi everyone, I'm Emmy from Sandoczka. This video is sponsored and the brand sent me this product so I could try it out and share my honest opinion. This set includes 6 metal die cuts with different designs: flowers, butterflies, birds, and a happy birthday template. Made of carbon steel, they feel sturdy but not too thick. The edges are smooth, making them easy to handle. The details on the lace and floral patterns are really nice and clean. The cutouts pop out easily, and for finer details, a little tool helps remove them faster. They're great for scrapbooking, making greeting cards, or decorating gift boxes. The variety of designs gives plenty of creative options. You can mix and match the designs to create layered effects or combine them with different colors of paper for contrast. The bird and butterfly patterns add a nice touch to nature-themed projects, while the birthday template is perfect for custom cards. Whether for personal crafts or gifts, these give plenty of creative possibilities. I like how these add a delicate and professional look to handmade projects. That's it for today. See you in the next one.